Hey, what's up guys? Your friend Sonak is back with another informative video. Previously, I have shown and discussed also with about the muscle building, and I have also shown you the good warm-ups and my exercise routine, what I am doing currently. But friends, we should not neglect another most important area which we should not reflect, because most of the gym goers and all, they focus more on muscle building and diet and everything, which is fine and no problem with that. But friends, we should also focus on one more important thing, which is friends, stretching and your flexibility. Because what happens friends, with time our muscle gets tight and dense, because as we are working out our muscles get stronger and also it gets more dense and it gets more tight. So stretching helps us to become more flexible, more mobility, and it also improves our overall body's functioning and all. And friends, it also avoids injury from too much tightness and all, because sometimes friends, because of too much tightness in our muscles, we slouch. Because friends, I was also like overweight earlier in my life, and because of that heavy load, because of that tightness, my posture also got a little bit tilted and all. So I am still working on my posture and trying to improve my body alignment, because friends, our structure plays a key role in proper energy transmission throughout our entire body. So our posture has to be good, because nowadays what happens friends, we are sitting all the time, so there is a lot of back pain and your glutes becomes tight because we sit around all the time. So these stretchings are very important for you, and friends, you should implement these stretchings. It hardly takes 50 minutes friends. You slowly start from 10 minutes, and this routine is the most basic routine you can follow friends. It is not that difficult. Slowly and steadily you can progress like this. It's a 12 step procedure. It's like a full circuit, like 12 steps you do. It's one circuit. It's called friends sun salutation. It's pretty basic yoga movement, and it's derived from hatha yoga. So it's very effective stretching friends. It's open up your body and you will feel energized after performing this stretchings routine and all. Because when we do each and every step one by one, we hold that position for 3 seconds and then take deep breaths. 3 to 4 seconds of pause with that motion, and we take deep breaths. So, and you will slowly feel the tightness, it's going away, your oxygen level goes up, proper blood flow, and you will feel energized, and your body you'll feel light and like more flexible and more elasticity. Because friends, the more your muscle gets tighter, it's very difficult for you to move properly and all, because some people I've seen that their shoulders comes like slouching like this, it becomes like this. So everything has to be like properly aligned friends. So the stretching routine is very important for you guys, and you should not neglect it, because in the later years, for our healthy joints and back and overall elasticity, it's very important for us to implement this. So I would suggest you friends to do it at least 3 to 4 times a week. First thing in the morning, after you do your thing, you just do it for 15 minutes, and slowly and steadily will increase as we get stronger. Because friends, I also didn't pay that much attention in the initial years when I started my fitness journey and all. But then later on friends, I realized that these stretchings really help us to improve our posture and overall flexibility. So, and also friends, it improves our bone strength and health, ligaments and joints and all. So do give it a try friends. Stretching is very important for us. We should not neglect that. So with muscle building, diet, everything, we should also include stretching. So slowly and steadily we should get it into our routine and all. And it's a circuit, I already told you, 12 step yoga movements. So I will demonstrate you. So you enjoy the video friends, and if you feel like you should try, give it a try friends. I would suggest you to give it a try, because I have also tried and I feel really nice. My body is getting more flexible and the posture is also getting better and all. So do give it a try friends, and enjoy the video.
So now we are going to start with our yoga, the sun salutation. So this is the first step that we are going to do, which is mountain pose. Just stand straight with your feet about like hip width apart, and your position in front of your chest, your prayer position. And then this is the second step is friends, the overhead reach. We just have to inhale out of the sides and stretch upwards and allowing the fullest expansion of your chest and then arched backwards and look up at your hands. Then comes the step 3, friends. We have to excel tucking in our hands and keeping our back straight and long. And then you bend as forward as comfortable possible, grasp and the back of your legs and bend your elbows very gently. Friends, so now we are going to perform the 4th step, that is high lunge. So step back with your right foot into the lunge, then lean forward and press your fingertips or palms into the floor in line with your forward foot, and roll your shoulders back and down, and then press your chest forward while looking straight ahead. So, and then the next steps, the 5th step, like move your left foot back next to your right foot and strengthen your body into the plank position, and then spread your fingers wide so your middle fingers are pointing forward, and your hands should be on the floor directly beneath your shoulder, and you should look as if you are in a push-up position. Okay friends, so now we are going to go for the 6th step, that is the caterpillar. So bend both knees to the floor, keep your elbows close to your body as you lower your chest between your palms and lift your tailbone towards the ceiling. Hold for a breath. Then friends, the 7th step is like drop your hips to the floor, raise your head and chest so your torso is supported to your forearms, and keep your shoulders down and back, pressing your chest forward and reaching towards the ceiling. So that's the 7th step. Okay friends, so now the 8th step, downward facing dog. Press your palms into the floor, straighten your arms and legs and push your hips up so your body forms an inverted V, and let your head and neck hang freely from your shoulders or tuck your chin to your chest. To make their position easier, keep your knees bent instead of straightening your legs. So you can also place your hands on the low step. Okay, so the 9th step is step forward with your right foot. Position yourself so your right knee is directly over your ankle, and then support your weight by placing your palms or fingertips, and roll your shoulders down and back and press your chest forward looking straight ahead, as you can see there. And after that friends, the 10th step, 11th step and the 12th step is the same. We are just going to do in the descending order from the step 1, step 2 and step 3. So same, we will repeat it here, and then that's it. Okay friends, so after those steps, now I'm going to show you how it looks when I'm doing this back to back like a full circuit, and then we can repeat it 2 times, 3 times, and take it easy as we progress, the more sets we make.
Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed the video friends. So these are pretty basic stretchings friends. If you start including all these things, you will get the benefits from it. So if you like this video friends, do give it a thumbs up and comment, subscribe, share friends. And I'll keep bringing you all the informative videos in the near future ahead, which will make your life better and you will stay healthy enough. So stay connected, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll meet you with another informative video. Take care, my friends.